Hey guys, this is Matt Brooks. Today I'm going to walk you guys through making some macaroon Easter egg nests. It's going to be a really fun project. First of all, we're going to start off with 14 ounces of sweetened coconut flakes,
which is about 5 1/3 cups.
First thing we're going to do is mix our coconut in a large bowl with our sweetened condensed milk. Gotta keep it nice and wet. And then add our teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, we're gonna fold this in until it's all nicely mixed. So as soon as I get this totally incorporated, we'll move on to our next step. Got this all mixed together, and we're gonna head over to our KitchenAid stand mixer here. What we're going to want to do is remove the egg yolk from the white. I find the easiest way to do it is to break the egg open, dump out what egg white you can, and then kind of shift the egg yolk from one side of the egg to the other one. Into the mixer we go. Next we're going to add our salt. It's going to help it make the stiff peak, is what I was talking about. We're going to beat this. That looks better. So we're going to slowly fold them into the mixture we've got already. Moving on to our next step, we've got a baking sheet here prepared and lined with parchment paper. Parchment paper is a little bit different than wax paper. It doesn't have that waxy film on it. And with wax paper, the macaroons would actually stick. But parchment paper can go in the oven and bake, and then they come out really easily off the paper. So now, the part that's going to make it the Easter nest. So what you're going to want to do is make a little divot in the inside of each one of these. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and take my measuring spoons and then a little bit of cooking spray. So I find that if you just try to do it without the cooking spray, you'll get all the coconut and the sweetened condensed milk stuck to the bottom of your spoon. But with the spray, you can put it in and then pull it right back out. Alright, now they're ready to go in the oven. Alright, it's gotten hot in here. So now we gotta pull these nests out of the oven. There they are, nice and golden brown. Next step, we're gonna coat them with some chocolate, and then we need to lay our eggs. So I'm going to throw this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Get it all heated up. Mix it up. 30 seconds again. Mix it up. And it should be ready to dip. Alright guys, the grunt work's all done. Now for the decorating. Final touch. And there you have it. Macaroon Easter egg nests. Alright, here it is, the moment of truth.